rin ako.
Thank you so much. Kaya na po ka.
Ganda naman ang friends mo. Sure ko kami dito.
Next time, to guide me to make quick, happy chit chat and meaningful conversations, especially with your son Nico. I'm grateful that you're here.
Of course, on your special day, Baron, I have a very short wish for you. May God continue to bless you and guide you to His grace and life, and may you continue to share your God-given talent to the whole world, Baron, because you truly deserve it.
Thank you.
Love you, Baron.
I love you. Maraming salamat sa Miracles. You guys made my day. Sobrang salamat. Pinatamis niyo araw ko.
Thank you po.
Sobrang salamat po sa Ramen District Manila for making my special day a very special one. Sobrang sarap po ng ramen nyo. Naubos ko talaga. And I want another bowl. And sana po makabisita po kayo sa aming set at marami po kayong mapapasayang tao. Thank you for making my birthday special, Madam.
Thank you so much.
Sir, more power sa inyong business. Guys, I'm telling you, #1 ramen. Try it out. Sa next, special occasion. Or any occasion. Hello there, Pupu Coffee. Thank you very much for spending my birthday with me. I appreciate you and more power.
Thank you.